I gave a letter to the postman. He put it in his sack. Bright and early next morning, he brought my letter back. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown, no such number, no such zone. We had a quarrel.
Yeah, campus safety. I can't get my I can't get my mailbox open. What do you mean you can't help me? My gummy bears are in there. What do you mean you can't help me? What about my gummy bears?
Bright and early next morning, it came right back to me. You wrote upon it.
Hey, Ray, what's wrong? What's wrong? I can't get my mailbox open. Let me try. I got this.
No such person, no such zone.
What's the matter? We can't get our mailbox open. Here, let me try. I think we all gotta try to get it. Yeah, you ready? Alright, on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Return to sender, address unknown, no such number, no such zone.
What's the problem here?
I can't get my mailbox open.
I'll open your silly little mailbox.
First of all, you're not armed. Secondly, I can take you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Ow, my shoulder!
Idiot.
My masculinity, it's gone forever! No mail for you!